Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of nutrition and healthy living. Ever wondered why soy tofu, also known as bean curd, should be a staple in your diet? Well, you're in for a treat today. Let me take you through the amazing benefits and versatility of this incredible food. Firstly, soy tofu is incredibly versatile and nutritious. You can incorporate it into almost any meal, making it a fantastic addition to your daily diet. Derived from soybeans, it's a fantastic source of complete protein. This means it provides all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. These amino acids are crucial for various bodily functions, including muscle repair, enzyme production, and hormone regulation. Plus, it's packed with iron, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all vital for bone health and overall well-being. But that's not all. These minerals also play a role in maintaining energy levels and supporting metabolic processes. Soy tofu also contains phytonutrients called isoflavones. These have antioxidant properties and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. Pretty impressive, right? These isoflavones can also help in balancing hormones, particularly in women, and may alleviate symptoms of menopause. Now let's talk about the health benefits. Soy tofu's low saturated fat content makes it heart-friendly, potentially lowering cholesterol levels and improving cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of tofu can contribute to better heart health by reducing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol levels. The high protein content helps in maintaining muscle mass and promoting satiety, aiding in weight management. And guess what? It can also help in muscle recovery post-exercise. It's super versatile in cooking. You can use it in stir-fries, soups, salads, and even desserts. The possibilities are endless. You can use it in stir-fries, soups, salads, and even desserts. This makes it easy to integrate into diverse culinary preferences. From Asian to Western cuisines, tofu can be adapted to suit any taste. So, how do you get started with soy tofu? It's simple. Look for it in the refrigerated section of your local grocery store. You'll find various types, including firm, extra firm, and silken tofu. Firm tofu is great for grilling or stir-frying, while silken tofu can be used in smoothies and desserts. Each type has its unique texture and culinary use, while silken tofu can be used in smoothies and desserts. It's perfect for creating creamy textures without adding dairy. And don't be afraid to experiment with flavors and textures. Tofu absorbs the flavors of the ingredients it's cooked with, making it a versatile ingredient in any dish. Incorporating soy tofu into your diet can offer various health benefits. It stands out not only for its nutritional value, but also for its potential contributions to a balanced and health-conscious lifestyle. Whether you're looking to boost your protein intake, manage your weight, or simply enjoy a delicious meal, tofu has got you covered. So why not give it a try? Start with simple recipes and gradually explore more complex dishes as you become comfortable with this versatile ingredient. Remember, making small changes to your diet can lead to big health benefits. Incorporating tofu is a step towards a healthier, more balanced diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, grab some soy tofu and start exploring its many culinary possibilities. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and nutritious recipes. Su Halaya YouTube channel for more health tips and nutritious recipes. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Keep exploring new ways to nourish your body and soul.